Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Juicy Baby. You already know Animal House Music. Only a couple days into the new year, and getting a lot of good response. Just started a new group. If you didn't know, DMV's Got Talent on Facebook. Check it out. Search DMV's Got Talent. I'm loving it. Loving all the posts, all the different artists supporting each other, man. Posting their works, man. Love listening to all of it. It's becoming a quick success. Please, if you haven't, go there, join. Add artists from the DMV. And if y'all know what the DMV is, that's DC, Maryland, Virginia. Fuck what everybody say, yo. If you from DC, you from Maryland, you from Virginia, it is what it is. You DMV, man. We family, man, brothers and sisters, you heard? So, yeah, basically trying to make this market pop, man. Got a new collabo, man. Chillin', yo, X Records, Big out shout out to my man Fat Tommy, to my man Chill Will Richmond. Everything's going big business this year, Me and Cuddy Cardozo, you already know Galaxy Mob, new shit. Animal House is on Galaxy Mob Entertainment. We bombing on niggas this year. And basically it's what it is, man. We gonna get the people what they want, man. Unadulterated, raw, talent, music, We gonna get the people something to live for, something to die for. You feel me, man? Shit, all in a little wrapper, man, wrapped up in a nice little package, you feel me? But, yo, it already is what it is, man. Animal House, man, Galaxy Mob, man, X Records, Juicy Baby. You already know the king. Yo, DMV's Got Talent. Thank you to everybody that's been posting. C Styles, BW, Loveless, yo. Big up to Nephew, the Don, my man Action. Who else? Let me see, my man Tag, yo. So many people, so many artists. Big up Peter Son, Vinny Vibes, Everybody, the whole Aurora HD, Dope Gang family, my man Native Son, everybody. JR&B, my brother for life, you already know. And it is what it is, man. It's a takeover, man. And yo, Uptown, the king is returning sometime this year, man. I'm not gonna let you know when he's coming, but you already know, man. Long live the king. I'm out. One.